So, hello guys. For today's video, tuturo natin ang kantang Riptide. So, sa kantang to, kailangan natin ng capo or capo. Walang tawag nila, basta ganon. Tapos dito sa first fret, to fret tawag sa mga to. Ito, second fret na to, nasa first fret kasi, second, third, fourth, fifth. Tapos ang chord na gagamitin natin ay A minor. Yan ang A minor. Yan. Ito sa second string, tapos fourth, tapos third. Tapos ganito yung tunog ng A minor. Tapos next chord is G. Ito yung G. Medyo mahirap tong chords na to kung beginner ka pa lang, pero matututunan mo din dito. Ito sa fifth string, tapos 6, tapos dito sa baba tong first and second string. Tapos ganito yung tunog ng G. Okay. Tapos ang last chord natin ay C. Yan, ito. Second string, third, fourth, fifth. Bali, tatlong chords lang ang kailangan sa kanta na to. Okay, so simula, strumming pattern natin ay ito. Bali, sabayan mo lang yung kanta, okay na kahit anong strumming pala. So, pero ganito ang pinag-i-strum ko. Down, down, up, up, down. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Ganon. Ganon ang strumming ko. So, simulan natin sa verse. Verse muna. Ito. Okay. Intro. Okay. Let's go. I was afraid of the empties and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls who starting on earth. Selection of all my friends are turning green. C. A minor. The magicians, assistants in the dream. C ulit. G. And they come unstuck. Running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. Wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I can love you like gold, 'cause you're singing the words wrong. Guys, tuloy-tuloy nyo na lang kapag and okay na. Ganun lang kadali. Thank you for watching. Bye.